What is up, guys? It's Mike here, and today I'm going to bring you guys my second review video for the brand new series, or brand new double packs for Spin Master in 2021. It is the Megalodon vs. Pirate's Curse with the Dirty to Clean. Alright, so this is pretty cool. So we actually ended up getting this double pack in Mix 1. And by that, I mean we already seen the pairing of Megalodon and Pirate's Curse all the way back in 2019. It was one of the first mixes. I think it was actually the second mixes of the double packs. And that was pretty cool. So that's pretty cool how that lined up. I don't think Spin Master has done that yet, where they put two of the same trucks together again, or at least in another double pack. So that's kind of cool. And of course, this is Series 12 for the doubles. This is the color change, or dirty to clean. Basically the same principle as last year with the reveal the steel trucks, but this year they just threw some dirt on there, and once these trucks hit hot water, the dirt basically disappears and the trucks get very clean. Now, like I said in my previous video, some trucks are going to be hard to see the dirt, and I think this might be the case with these two. Now, yeah, both these trucks are pretty dark color, and by looking at Megalodon as it sits in the packaging, you can't really see that much dirt on it. And when I was making the other video, I kind of thought the windscreen or the windshield would get dirty too, but it apparently does not. So basically it's just the dirt spots on the truck, which is pretty cool. And this, I really like this. Out of the whole series, I think this is something that Spin Master really stepped up on, and I'm really happy they did this. This is actually, besides the whole trucks and everything, I like what they did with the packaging here. I like how they have every single truck in that mix on the top like that, on the doubles now. And they also have the trucks on the back that are in the package. So that's pretty cool. I do like that. And as you guys see right here, typical Gravedigger, how it gets dirty to clean. And yeah, so I dumped the first two trucks when I made the video, and they took about maybe 20-30 minutes to have the dirt appear back on them. So I mean, they stay clean for a pretty decent amount of time. So with that being said, we're gonna crack this one open, take a look at the second pack I ever got for the 2021 Spin Master Monster Jam trucks, with that being the Megalodon and Pirate's Curse. Alright guys, so they're out of the package here, and this is actually really funny. So I actually shot the whole video, and I opened the package, and I was like, these things really aren't that dirty, what's going on here? And did the whole video, and I'm like, maybe I should run these under cold water and see what's going on, because honestly, these trucks did not look dirty at all in the packaging. Yeah, so I actually totally forgot that, there's heat in my house, and they're kind of like right next to the heater. And if you guys know with the reveal the steel trucks, that even if they're in a warm place, they're start to change color. So I totally forgot about that. That is my bad. Yeah. So anyway, now we're going to look at these trucks. I ran them under cold water, let them soak in it for about 10 minutes or so, just to give that extra make sure. And here they are. So they're out of the package. Now you guys can clearly see the dirt on Megalodon, clearly see the dirt on Pirate's Curse. And when I was opening them, I was kind of like, why aren't these that dirty? Now I know. But yeah, let's move on. So the first truck I really want to look at is Megalodon. We'll put Pirate's Curse over to the side for now. But yeah, Megalodon looks really good now that I ran it under cold water. You can really see the dirt on it. If you guys saw it in the package, it did not look like this at all. You can definitely tell there's a lot of dirt on the nose of the shark, all over the side, and I like it. It's pretty cool. Here I'm just looking, because I just ran it under cold water and threw it in a bowl here, but yeah, looks a lot better now. It looks really dirty now. I really like what Spin Master did here, and what they decided to do was they made the sides of the truck, or basically the parts of the truck that were going to get dirty, make them dirty, instead of just making like the top or the roof dirty. It's kind of a shame they didn't make the fins dirty, but I kind of understand it. That really can't be die cast. And these fins are very flexible and very easy to move. It almost feels like I can easily rip it off the truck itself. But basically everywhere you see on Megalodon, basically all around the wheel wells, on the dorsal or the tail fin, you got some dirt over here. So this one actually looks really good now that I'm seeing it like this as a dirty version of the truck. Pretty cool. So I'm going to throw this into the hot water here and see what happens. So as Megalodon is soaking in the hot water, here is Pirate's Curse. Now, when I first saw this truck, I thought only like the skull on the front would be a little different, or at least a little dirty. And it is to a certain extent, very dirty. And the sides of the truck is also covered with some dust and grime as well. You can't even really read where it says Pirate. You can kind of see where it says Curse. So I like that. I like how these are very dusty. Now, I did go back and I did redo Blue Thunder and fully charged, and they kind of look the same. These ones just appear to have more of like a dusty look on them. And I thought maybe the hat would change color too, but it doesn't appear so. But it looks like the sides of the truck, very dirty. That whole dust effect is actually pretty cool. I like that. I like that dust effect they have going on with at least these two trucks. All over the eye patch, all over the skull itself. So now with Megalodon soaking in the water, the truck almost changed like instantly. So let's take him out and see how he looks clean. Alright guys, so we just cleaned off Megalodon, and this is how the truck looks when it's clean. Very nice looking. Very, looks just how it was when I opened the package. So yeah, I totally forgot about that. So if your trucks don't look dirty when you get them, it's just because they're in a warm environment, and you might have to just run them under cold water. But after that, they should be good to go. And yeah, so you can definitely tell the truck is a lot cleaner now. It's not as dirty. You can basically see the gray and the white on the sides here, and it looks pretty good. I like it. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to run all these under cold water just to see what, just in case they're not dirty to their full extent. And yeah, learned my lesson with that. But here is Megalodon. The truck looks really, really good. We're going to dip Mr. Pirate's Curse in the hot water here. And I'll tell you what, it's pretty cool when you dip them into the hot water. And I wish I had a way to show this, but I don't have like a see-through bowl or anything. But when you run them under hot water, it's kind of satisfying just to see the dirt disappear and see how clean the truck actually gets. Here as I dry off Pirate's Curse. But yeah, I like this. I really do like the dirty to clean. I think it's something unique and something brand new. If they would have just came out with another Reveal the Steel, I don't know. I mean, that could have been odd, to say the least. But I do like the cleanness here, as now you can read Pirate on the side. The truck actually looks very clean now. You can see the truck is a little wet, but not as dirty as it was before. So now that I know to run them under cold water first, yeah, looks a lot better. So yeah, that's going to basically do it for the two trucks right here, Megalodon and Pirate's Curse. I am going to make a video at the end once I review all these, picking my favorite one, now that I know that they look a little better once you run them under cold water first. Yeah, definitely a lot better. But nonetheless, pretty cool. And like I said before, I also love the fact how we did see this mix, or at least not this mix, but this pack of Megalodon and Pirate's Curse early, like way early in Spin Master's run in 2019. I think it was for the second mix of doubles. So that's kind of cool that they did that. That's a little Easter egg, if you will. And yeah, so if you guys found these in stores, I highly recommend picking them up. And don't forget to like and subscribe, because I will be back tomorrow with another video.